Combo plots can be great when you have both raw data and some summary statistics that you want to display. For example, here I have bird species counts for 3 different parks, but I've also got the mean value computed across my 3 parks. To display this, I'm going to use a side-by-side bar graph for the raw data. Boom, there's my side-by-side bar graph. Let's choose a different color scheme since this is park data. I think that a nice hue of various greens will look good. Now let's add, though, the mean on top of this. I want to do this with a line plot, and it's just a matter of adding another command to draw those lines. I can add a point for the mean value. Let's give this a different color to offset it. And there I have my initial combo, but I'm going to go one step further, take the mean value, and also add it in. Oh, let me select the species name as well, because I'm going to do a pie chart with this. Now I have my pie chart. I can make this a little bit smaller. Let's add the percentage. And just to really have these colors kind of connect with one another, I will anchor this in the top left and change the color here to be the same, one constant color, and also be purple. I think this is really nice because it connects the mean data in the pie chart to the mean values of the points. And this is something very interactive. I can move things around. But here's your really important pro tip here, that every command I just added is an independent layer. That means that I can change the drawing order and it changes the layers themselves, how they're drawn. But I can easily do this, click and drag. If things are not in the order you want them, then you just change them. They're drawn from top to bottom. There's my combo graph. Another important thing that I want to show you in terms of troubleshooting is what can happen when you add a legend into combo graph is you might include things you don't want. And we've thought about this. For example, the pie chart really doesn't need to be in the legend. And sure enough, there is an option within the command to include in legend. Boom, uncheck that, and now you don't see it. I'm also going to customize my legend a little bit to place this below my graph. I think that looks nice with 4 columns, and I can reduce the width here and go ahead and change how this looks. In any case, here is my basic quick overview of combo plots in DataGraph. It's one of the things that makes DataGraph so powerful is that you can add all these commands and bring them together to make whatever graph you want.